y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you how I got this super realistic, super slayed and laid wig results without using any glue and any gel. This is some raw virgin curly hair from my company, and I've had this hair in this same wig since April. I'm not going to brag too much. I'm just going to let you be the judge when it comes down to the quality. From April to October, going on November, that's 6 months. Yeah, I'm gonna let you be the judge. Stay tuned for the results. And I'm just gonna explain something really quick. When you get a custom made wig, when you shop at THEERICKAJ.com under Jackie's Butterfly Garden, a custom wig is exactly what it sounds like, custom. It's made for you, it's made to your liking, it's gonna fit you, it's gonna be the perfect sizing and everything. We can FaceTime so we can show you how to install it correctly, how to cut the lace off, and you also have my videos to refer to. I'm just showing you guys a review update and just showing you how I put my wigs on when I don't feel like using any glue or any gel. Once again, the lace quality that I sell is a Swiss light brown lace. This lace will match anyone's skin tone because it's versatile. If you're a darker skin tone, it's fine. You can always tint the lace. These head wraps can be purchased at THEERICKAJ.com. I'll attach the link below, and these are very handy when it comes down to you laying your lace, keeping your lace intact, as well as keeping it up. Right now, I'm just spraying water on it and using a detangling brush. Once your hair has completely dried from the foam, you're gonna go ahead, remove your head wrap, get some BioSilk, rub it on your hair, get a fine-tooth comb, and comb your baby hairs out. Here's the results. I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to stop by hairbyerickaj.com. Contact me if you want to get a custom unit made. My contact information is in the description box, and feel free to purchase one of these frontal wraps. And really quickly, I'm just going to show you how to remove your wig and how easy it is to reapply your wig.